How to become an admin of any WhatsApp group. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can become an admin of any WhatsApp group. So without any further delay, let's get started. To become an admin of a WhatsApp group, it will require the current group admin to promote you. Unfortunately, there is no other legitimate way to become admin of any WhatsApp group, as WhatsApp prioritizes user privacy and security. However, there are some alternative or acceptable methods to achieve admin status. The first one, you can request admin rights from the current admin. You can politely ask the group admin to promote you. You can either send a private message or offer a valid reason to become an admin of any WhatsApp group. Or the second method is to create your own group. If you're not able to become an admin of an existing group, you can create another WhatsApp group and add member from the original group who are interested in joining your group. Inform the group members about the purpose of new group to avoid misunderstandings. So that's the workout or alternative way to become an admin of any WhatsApp group. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.